Ah,
Oh, I was going for that one, but you're taking the supreme.
料理長の小野、はい。
あ、オーナーさん。
小野さんです料理長の小野さんです。
So that was Men Ginza Onodera, and I'm here with my friend Marcus, and we just had some fantastic. Well, it's hard to describe what we had. I mean, on a baseline level, it's shoyu ramen, but it was so much more than that. Maybe before I go into the ramen itself, maybe a few words to the place. Onodera is actually a group that normally produces sushi places. They also have now, he said, a French place and a couple more restaurants. I think tempura was one of the things he said. And this sushi place is made by one of the chefs of the originally French restaurants. So they have a lot of like French influences here, which you can then see in the soup, in like every ingredient. Basically, you have like a soup that is like very strong on the duck. If you read the list of ingredients, it's pretty impressive. There's a lot of stuff in there, but what you mainly feel is like the chicken, duck. There is some tuna in the background, which they also write down. Some shiitakes, kombu, various veggies. It's very, very complex, but very duck forward. So if you're a duck fan, you'll probably like this place. Then the chashu that they put on top, also duck breast, just perfectly executed, very nice and rosy. Some kind of smoky pork, and what then gives the whole thing a new twist is first you see immediately the herb butter that has like parsley, dill, garlic, and some other herbs in it that like slowly melts into your bowl. And if you go for the supreme, you get some really nice plump big wontons that are stuffed with truffle and meat, and then it just have like this really, really nice truffle aroma without being overpowering, which can easily be a thing if they take like something like truffle oil, or just put like truffles on top where like it's so I really like the balance here, and that you have like a lot of some stuff going on here in the background. Car accidents. That you have something new going on with every single bite. So Marcus, like I've kept you waiting here a little bit. What was your opinion?
Well, it's really a ramen. If you were into it before, you're talking about the French influences, and also the a lot of duck in the ingredients as well. But it's a kind of a ramen that really fits like the Harajuku area, in my opinion. Really like a nice combination of all various kinds of tastes from various countries, and mixed with that with the traditional way of making ramen as well. So it was a nice experience.
And yeah, to be added here, so we're filming this, it's like what, beginning of May. The shop just opened a few days ago, I think, and this place will fill up. I think once the YouTubers discover this place and cover it, you'll have to wait in line. So I'll try to push this video out as fast as possible to make it accessible to you. Check out this place, Onodera, here. You'll be probably waiting 1 or 2 hours in the future to get a seat at this place. Probably they'll have to introduce a ticket system or like online reservation system in the future. I can't see this place not going through the roof. And yeah, personally, I really enjoyed it. Super awesome experience. If you are new to ramen and you want to just get like something that you'll definitely like, and that's kind of tastes a little bit familiar, not too like abstract, then Ginza Onodera is a place to visit. And that's all from us for today. I'll put his YouTube link in the description. He covers, what exactly do you cover?
I do retro game hunts. My main YouTube source is about emulation on the Nintendo Switch. But while I'm here in Japan, I'm doing like lots of YouTube shorts where I do the retro game hunting in various retro game stores. So,
all right, so if you're into retro gaming, then check out Marcus' channel. And that's all from us for today. See you guys in the next one.